Welcome to the Open Passport. Today, we're revealing some of the best-kept secrets to help you save big on your next adventure. Whether you're a budget traveler or just looking to maximize your experience without breaking the bank, these travel hacks will make your trip unforgettable and affordable. Let's get into it. All right, first up, flights. Finding the best deals on flights can be a game changer for your travel budget. Forget about booking directly with the airline. That's rookie stuff. Direct bookings often come with higher prices and fewer options. Use aggregators like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak to compare prices across hundreds of airlines. These platforms allow you to see a wide range of options and find the best deals available. Pro tip: clear your cookies or use incognito mode to avoid price hikes. Airlines and booking sites can track your searches and increase prices based on demand. Be flexible with your dates. Sometimes, shifting your travel dates by just a day or two can result in significant savings. Flying on Tuesdays and Wednesdays is often cheaper. Midweek flights tend to be less crowded and more affordable. Red-eye flights can save you serious cash and give you more time to explore. Don't underestimate budget airlines. They might not offer all the frills, but they can get you to your destination for a fraction of the cost. Pack light and read the fine print to avoid extra fees. Many budget airlines charge for checked baggage, so traveling with just a carry-on can save you money. Consider flying into smaller airports for cheaper tickets and potential hidden gems. Smaller airports often have lower landing fees, which can translate to cheaper flights. Look into package deals for flights and hotels. Bundling your flight and accommodation can sometimes offer significant discounts. Set up price alerts to get notified when prices drop. Many travel websites and apps offer this feature, allowing you to snag deals as soon as they become available. Book connecting flights for significant savings, but ensure enough layover time. While direct flights are more convenient, connecting flights can be much cheaper. Use points and miles from Travel Rewards credit cards for free flights or upgrades. If you travel frequently, a good rewards card can save you a lot of money in the long run. Sometimes, flying to a nearby city and taking a train or bus can be cheaper. This can also add a bit of adventure to your trip. Be patient and keep searching for the perfect deal. Prices can fluctuate, so it pays to check regularly. Book in advance, especially during peak season, but also watch for last-minute deals. Sometimes, airlines offer significant discounts to fill empty seats close to the departure date. Another hack is to use a VPN to change your location when booking. Sometimes, flights are cheaper when booked from a different country. Use multiple devices to compare prices. Sometimes prices can vary between your phone, tablet, and computer. Follow airlines and travel deal accounts on social media. They often post flash sales and exclusive deals that you won't find elsewhere. Read travel blogs and forums for insider tips. Frequent travelers often share their secrets for finding the best deals. If you're traveling with a group, look for group discounts. Some airlines offer reduced rates for group bookings. Check alternative airports. Sometimes, flying into or out of a nearby airport can be significantly cheaper. Download flight deal apps. These apps can alert you to deals and error fares that can save you a lot of money. Consider booking flights with long layovers. Not only can this save you money, but it also gives you a chance to explore another city. Always check airline policies before booking. Some airlines have hidden fees that can add up quickly. Finally, don't forget about travel agents. They can sometimes find deals that aren't available online and can offer valuable advice. With these tips, you're well on your way to finding the best flight deals. Happy travels! Okay, so you've booked your flights, now let's talk accommodation. Consider alternatives to traditional hotels like hostels and Airbnb. House sitting through websites like Trusted House Sitters offers free accommodation. Couchsurfing is adventurous and free. Just respect your host's space. Look for deals and discounts on websites like Groupon and Living Social. Negotiate your rate, especially during the off-season or for extended stays. Stay outside the city center for cheaper options, factoring in transportation costs. Travel during the off-season for lower prices and fewer crowds. Look for hotels with free breakfast to save on meals. Check for hidden fees like resort or parking fees before booking. Book in advance to secure the best price and accommodation. Now that you've got your flights and accommodations sorted, let's talk about getting around. Walk whenever possible to save money and discover hidden gems. Use public transportation, which is usually cheaper than taxis or ride-sharing. Rent a bike for an eco-friendly and fun way to explore. Take advantage of free walking tours and tip your guide if you enjoyed it. Use ride-sharing services strategically and look for promo codes. Negotiate taxi fares in countries where it's customary. Rent a car only if necessary, considering the cost of gas, parking, and tolls. Carpool with other travelers to split costs. Look for free transportation options like shuttle buses. Take advantage of airport transfers offered by hotels and hostels. Plan your routes in advance to avoid unnecessary transportation costs. One of the best parts of traveling is experiencing the local cuisine, but eating out for every meal can get expensive fast. However, with a few smart strategies, you can savor the local flavors without draining your wallet. Embrace street food for authentic, delicious, and cheap meals. Street vendors often serve some of the most flavorful and unique dishes, giving you a true taste of the local culture. Plus, it's a great way to eat on the go while exploring. Cook your own meals if you have access to a kitchen. Many hostels, Airbnb rentals, and even some hotels offer kitchen facilities. Preparing your own meals not only saves money, but also allows you to experiment with local ingredients and recipes. Visit local markets for fresh, affordable ingredients. Markets are treasure troves of fresh produce, meats, and spices. Shopping at these markets not only supports local farmers and vendors, but also gives you a chance to interact with locals and learn more about their food culture. Pack your own snacks to avoid overpriced airport and convenience store options. Carrying snacks like nuts, dried fruits, or granola bars can keep you fueled during your adventures and prevent impulse buys that can add up quickly. Take advantage of free breakfast offered by many hotels and hostels. A hearty breakfast can set you up for a day of exploring and reduce the need for expensive meals later in the day. Don't be shy to fill up. Eat lunch like a king, dine like a pauper. Lunch menus are often cheaper. Many restaurants offer lunch specials that are significantly less expensive than their dinner counterparts. This way you can enjoy a substantial meal without the hefty price tag. Drink tap water if it's safe to save on bottled water costs. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. This not only saves money but also reduces plastic waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. Look for happy hour deals for discounted drinks and appetizers. Many bars and restaurants offer happy hour specials in the late afternoon or early evening. It's a perfect time to relax, enjoy some local beverages, and sample appetizers at a fraction of the cost. Take advantage of free food tours to sample local delicacies. Some cities offer free or low-cost food tours that allow you to taste a variety of local dishes while learning about the area's culinary history. It's a fun and educational way to eat your way through a new place. Check for Restaurant Week deals for discounted prix-fixe menus. Many cities host restaurant weeks where participating eateries offer special fixed-price menus. This is a fantastic opportunity to dine at high-end restaurants without the usual high-end prices. Ask locals for affordable and delicious restaurant recommendations. Locals know the best spots that might not be listed in guidebooks. Whether it's a hidden gem or a popular local hangout, their advice can lead you to some of the best meals of your trip. Be adventurous and try new things. You might discover a new favorite dish. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and sample dishes that are unique to the region. You never know what delightful surprises await your taste buds. All right, last but not least, let's talk about sightseeing. Take advantage of free activities like museums, parks, and walking tours. Look for city passes that offer access to multiple attractions at a discounted price. Visit during the off-season for lower prices and fewer crowds. Check for free admission days at museums and attractions. Explore on your own to save money on guided tours. Look for discounts on websites like Groupon and Living Social. Volunteer for free or discounted admission to attractions. Attend free events like festivals and concerts. Ask about student and senior discounts for reduced prices. Consider visiting less popular attractions for a unique experience. Factor in transportation costs to and from attractions to save money. So there you have it, my ultimate guide to travel hacking. From finding the best flight deals to scoring free accommodations, these tips are designed to help you travel smarter and more affordably. I'm all about maximizing experiences, and these tips will help you do just that. Imagine savoring local delicacies without worrying about your budget, or exploring a new city on a bike, feeling the wind in your hair and the excitement of discovery. Remember, travel doesn't have to be expensive. With the right strategies, you can stretch your dollars further and make every trip memorable. Whether it's using points and miles, finding budget-friendly destinations, or simply being flexible with your travel dates, there are countless ways to save. With a little planning and creativity, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. Think about all the adventures waiting for you, from hiking through breathtaking landscapes to discovering hidden gems in bustling cities. The world is full of wonders, and they're all within your reach. Now get out there and start planning your next adventure. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and let the journey begin. The thrill of travel is not just in the destination, but in the journey itself. Every step you take, every new place you visit, adds to the tapestry of your life. Don't forget to share your own travel hacks in the comments below. Your experiences and tips can inspire others to embark on their own adventures. Let's create a space where we can all learn from each other and grow as travelers. Let's build a community of savvy travelers who know how to get the most bang for their buck. Together, we can uncover the best deals, the most exciting destinations, and the secrets to making travel more accessible for everyone. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Your support helps me continue to bring you valuable content and keeps our travel community growing. I'm always on the move, searching for the next adventure, so make sure you're following me on social media to keep up with my travels. From stunning landscapes to vibrant cultures, I'll be sharing it all with you. And who knows, maybe I'll see you on the road. Safe travels, everyone. Remember, the world is vast and full of possibilities. Every journey you take is a new story waiting to be written. So go out there, explore, and make memories that will last a lifetime.